Now I discuss some concepts. Now look here. This is the earth. Now. What is the use of earth? Earth have a huge gravitational field. That means all the bodies earth is attract. All the bodies earth is attract. For example, a body is drop. Is drop. Earth attraction also downward. Body motion also same. Earth always attract. That means the body moves same direction of Earth's gravitational field. So here the body acceleration taken as plus g. Once again I repeat. Earth attraction always downward. Body moves in the same direction of Earth attraction. So A taken as plus g. Plus g. G is called acceleration due to gravity. G value on the earth, its value is 9.8 meter per second square. G dendinana idi earth. On the moon, it meaning is 9.8 by 6 nana, nearly 1.67 ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా? Look here, 616 38, 66 38, 1.6 above, 1.6 above on the moon. That means small g depends upon the planet, size of the planet and mass of the planet, radius of the planet. Small g value changes at different places, and for example, planet to planet move, body moves planet to planet, small g value changes. Here this is the earth. Nana, once again I take earth. Here body move upward. Here body motion upward, earth attraction downward. In this situation, body oppose the earth's attraction. That's why here A value taken as minus z. Keep in your mind, body freely fall, A value taken as plus g. Body moves upward, A value taken as minus g. Here small a indicate acceleration, small g indicate acceleration due to gravity. On the earth, small g value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, look here. Hold. Look here, Nana. Another concept, Nana. Look here. I give some problems, Nana. For example, a body initial velocity u, final velocity v. Once again I repeat concept. Initial velocity of the body u, final velocity of the body v. At a midpoint, find velocity. This is the question. Here body moves uniform acceleration. Simply, for example, body moves A to B. The distance is s by 2. Acceleration is A. Body move B to C. Displacement s by 2. Acceleration is A. Once again I repeat the question. Body initial velocity u, final velocity v. At a midpoint, find the velocity. This is the question. Keyword in the problem, body moves with uniform acceleration. To see the uniform acceleration, we apply kinematic equation, path AB. In the path AB, initial velocity at A, initial velocity is given u, final velocity is given v dash. For example, I take path AB. In the path AB, initial velocity u, final velocity v dash, acceleration A, distance given s by 2. Okay, v u a s. Once again, v u a s. Kinematic third equation, we get v square minus u square equal to 2as. Okay, Here v value is v dash, u value is u square, 2 a s by 2. According to this equation, what is the v dash square value? Tell me Nana. ORR equation number 1. Look here. Again, I take path BC. Look here Nana. Path BC. In the path BC, according to diagram, B is starting. That's why initial velocity is v dash. Final velocity is v. At C, final velocity we obtain. According to graph, according to diagram, acceleration is a. B to C, the distance is s by 2. Again, kinematic third equation we apply. V square minus u square equal to 2s. What is the v value according to data? V. What is the u value? V dash square. 2 a s value s by 2. Equation number 2. In the equation 1 and equation 2, right sides are same. Look here. RHS side are equal. According to mathematics, RHS are same. Automatically LHS are same. In the equation 1, what is the left side? V square minus u square. Equation 2, what is the left side? V square minus v dash square. Look here now. Okay. Oh no, sorry. Here, this is the v dash square. V dash square, equation 1. Okay. V dash one side, remaining other side. Minus other side, plus v dash square plus v dash square equal to v square plus u square. V dash square plus v dash square 2v dash square equal to v square plus u square. What is the v dash square value? V square plus u square by 2. What is the v dash value? Under root, tell me, v square plus u square by 2. ఈ తొక్కలో వస్తుందంతా అవసరం లేదు. డైరెక్ట్గా ఇనీషియల్ వెలాసిటీ u, ఫైనల్ వెలాసిటీ v, at midpoint velocity అంటే velocity at midpoint equal to under root v square plus u square by 2. Finally we get this equation now. Okay? Hold. Time can be taken as x-axis, displacement taken as y-axis. Look here the graph. Displacement taken as the y-axis, time taken as the x-axis. In the situation, the graph is here now. Look here. Okay? Displacement taken as the y-axis, time can be taken as the x-axis. This is the shape of the graph. Okay? In the graph, Nana, look here. In the graph, for example, a particular time will be taken. In the particular time, here how many displacements are taken? S1, S2. One body at a particular time, 2 displacements are there? No, it is impossible, Nana. So this graph is wrong. Once again, I explain the graph. Look here. Time can be taken as x-axis, displacement taken as y-axis. Is it correct or not? For example, at a particular time, time and fix it. Time and fix here S1 displacement, S2 displacement. At a particular time, a single body have 2 displacements. This is possible? No, it is impossible, Nana. So the graph is incorrect. Look here, okay? Example, look here the graph, Nana. Here T, Nana. T is called time. This is displacement. Here this is P. This is Q. This angle 30. This angle 60. Once again, this angle 30. This angle 60 degrees. Okay? Find the ratio of velocity of the P by velocity of the Q. This is the question. Displacement taken as y-axis, time taken as x-axis. Find velocities. Friday class I discussed ST graph is given. Slope of the ST graph gives velocity. Slope means y-axis by x-axis. Displacement by time is called what? Velocity. That means simply velocity, the ST graph slope is determined automatically to find velocity. Simply velocity is nothing but the slope of the ST graph. Slope of the ST graph. In the mathematics, slope is nothing but the tan theta. Slope is nothing but the tan theta. Look here. Velocity to easily determine slope. Velocity is easily determine slope. ST graph slope gives velocity. VT graph, velocity time graph slope gives acceleration. Okay? Look here. మరి ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ అది విపి కదా పి యాంగిల్ ఎంత ఉంది 30. లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న tan 30 by Q angle tan 60. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. Tan 60 value root 3. Simply root 3 into root 3. Finally we get 1 by 3. This is the velocities ratio. Okay? The graph is taken, acceleration taken as y-axis, time can be taken as x-axis. This is the graph, Nana. Here 10 is there, here 11 is there, here origin is there. Okay? Here in the AT graph, find the velocity. Find what, Nana? Velocity. AT graph, A means acceleration, T means time. AT graph is given, velocity gives area under AT graph. Area under AT graph. What is the graph shape? Area under AT graph. Friday class, please revise. They easily understand. The graph is AT, acceleration time graph, Nana. In the graph, velocity determine in the graph to determine first area. This is the shape of the graph is, look here, triangle. Area of the triangle formula half into base into height. Half, okay. What is the base? 11. What is the height? 10. Okay. Here 2 how many times? 5 times. 11 into 5, 55. In this pattern to solve the problems. Okay. Next problem, look here. Velocity taken as y-axis, time taken as x-axis. This is the graph shape, Nana. 10, 5. Look here. Nana, in the VT graph, find displacement. VT graph displacement determined by using area under VT graph. Okay? What is the shape? The shape is rectangular shape. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Here, what is the length value? 10. What is the breadth value? 5. 10 into 5, 50. This is the displacement of the VT graph. VT graph is given. Displacement can be determined. Which will be determined? Area. AT graph is given. Velocity determined. Which will be determined? Area. Okay. For example, VT graph is given. Slope of the VT graph, acceleration. Slope of the ST graph, S means displacement. ST graph gives velocity. Okay. This is the shape of the graphs, Nana. Okay. Next, Nana. In the time of cycle, last topic. Look here, Nana. Last topic. For example, I take freely falling body. Look here now. This is the freely falling body now. Freely falling body means a body drop. Drop means u becomes zero. A body just drop. That means starting velocity zero. Why it moving downward? Because of Earth's attraction. Here body moves in the direction of Earth attraction. In this case, A value taken as plus G. Okay? First, Nana, the graph is called ST graph drawn. In the situation, S is called displacement. What is the kinematic second equation? Because S is there, S equal to ut plus half at square. Here in the graph, u becomes what? 0. 0 into anything, 0. Half into a value g, pakkana t square. This is the s value now. Here, s can be taken as y-axis, displacement taken as y-axis, time can be taken as x-axis. Simply, y directly proportional to x square. Look here now. Y directly proportional to x square. Once again repeat. What is the kinematic second equation? What is the kinematic second equation? Look here now. What is the S equal to ut plus half at square? What is the condition? Freely fall u0. ఇది కట్ చేసా. Half gt square. S directly proportional to t square. This S can be taken as y-axis. T can be taken as x-axis. Y directly proportional to x square. ఇదేగా shape of the graph. ఓకే, మరి ఇప్పుడు గ్రాఫ్ షేప్ ఇదే కదా, ఇది అవుతుంది. ఇదిగోనా హియర్ ఇట్లా కూడా గీస్తే ఇది అవుతుంది. ఇది అవసరం లేదు కాబట్టి దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఎస్టీ గ్రాఫ్. లుక్ హియర్ నా ఎస్టీ గ్రాఫ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద కర్వ్. ఓకే, because we get parabola equation. Y directly proportional to x square is called parabola. Next nana I discuss VT graph. VT graph. V means velocity, T means time. V is seen kinematic first equation. What is the kinematic first equation? V equal to u plus at. Here V is V. Freely fall, u becomes 0. Freely fall, a becomes plus g. Simply V equal to gt. Simply V directly proportional to t. Okay? In the situation, y axis and x axis, y axis and x axis both are directly proportional. So y axis and x axis both are directly proportional. So the graph is straight line. Okay, once again repeat. Next graph is AT graph. But freely falling body, a value always plus g. That means a value is always constant. That means a does not depends upon the time. That means time changes but a does not changes. This is the shape of the graph. These three graphs are freely falling body. Okay, now why here this is the curve? Because y equal to kx square. For example, y square equal to kx వచ్చిందనుకో, ఇది graph. Look here. Okay, this is the graph shape now. Y square equal to kx. Last topic nana, vertically upward body. That graphs also I drawn. Look here now. Vertically upward body. To see here nana. Vertically upward body. Here nana, this is the body nana. This body is thrown with the initial velocity u. Okay, this body is moving upward. That means earth attraction downward. Body motion, earth attraction opposite. So acceleration taken as minus g. Okay, here nana, first I draw ST graph nana. Look here. T can be taken as here. S can be taken as y-axis. In the situation, look here. What is the kinematic second equation? S equal to ut plus half at square. Why here this equation taken? Displacement taken as y-axis. Displacement equation is kinematic second equation. S means S, U means U, T means T. But what is the A value according to S gravitation? Minus A value minus G, plus into minus, minus G. Okay? Here S can be taken as y-axis, time can be taken as x-axis, పక్కన ఉన్నదాన్ని constant. T square, x square, because T can be taken as x-axis. Here B none. In the situation, what is the final equation? Y equal to ax minus bx square. This equation is called as inverted parabola equation. Already I given Nana. Look here. This is the equation for inverted parabola. Inverted parabola. Okay. Nana, y equal to ax. Nana, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు పక్కన ఇది constant. Constant write as a comma b. Y equal to ax minus bx square. Finally we get the equation is parabola equation. Okay. This is called inverted parabola. Next, Nana. The graph name is VT graph. Look here. VT graph. In the case of vertically upward body, what is the kinematic first equation? V equal to U plus AT. Here, look here. V can be taken as y-axis. Okay. T can be taken as x-axis. పక్కన ఉన్నది M. ఈ పక్కన ఉంది ఏంటి? Nana, you look here. 1 minute. I substitute all the values first. V, U, A value minus G, T. Because the condition is body moving upward. Here, V can be taken as y-axis. T can be taken as x-axis minus mx plus C. C is called U. This is the equation y equal to minus mx plus c. Nana, suppose x0, y becomes c. x0 means the point on the y-axis. This is the y-axis. Minus mx, minus m indicate negative slope. Nana, this is the graph. Look here. Okay? This is the vertically upward body graph. Nana, vertically upward body graph. Move. Finally, its velocity becomes what? 0. This is the graph of vertically upward body. Vertically upward body. This is the VT graph now. Last graph today, AT graph. AT graph. Here, what is the A value in the case? Minus G. A is a constant. Constant means it does not change with respect to time. Iden sir kinda gisavanటే in the mathematics, origin below negative, origin above positive. This is A value becomes what Nana? Minus G. ఇందాక freely falling body ఇక్కడ వచ్చింది A value plus G. That means here in the both cases A does not depends upon the time. Vertically upward A value minus G. Freely falling body A value plus G. These are all our graphs Nana. The next Monday exam syllabus is there, so that's why please prepare all the students.